At first glance, this website looks absolutely fine. However, there's something here that's silently pushing people away. So yeah, let's walk through it. Hi, I'm Dan. I help local service-based businesses get more bookings through their website. And you can think of this as a friendly tune-up kind of thing, not a teardown. And I hope you can apply the insights that you get here to your own website. Okay, so first thing that you're doing correctly, which is really good, is the design itself or the color scheme. It's not all over the place. You might be wondering, why would that matter? Well, the design, first impressions matter, unfortunately, here. Because if you think about it, if you land on a website and you're like looking to buy something or to book a service for something, would you be willing to um, put your money on a business that doesn't look professional? So that's why design itself is already super critical. And they're doing that here. So they have a white and a red fuchsia, red in between that color, which is good. And as I landed on this website, the main thing that draw my attention was the call to action. So that's the book now and call us, which is a good thing. So hopefully you're also doing that on your website. And then it's also pretty clear on what they do, which is cleaning, and then in red there. So for if you're a local business, you should mention your city or at least your service areas, right? So as for the bad thing that could be pushing people away is this wall of text. Like the content or the messaging itself is good, like if you actually read this. However, it's way too long. On the internet, it's not about the attention span really, because this has been always true since before TikTok was out. But the point is, ideally for any websites or web pages, it shouldn't have it shouldn't have this insanely long text. I mean, it's not that long, but if you look at it from the mobile perspective, it looks like a wall of text. Are you gonna read all of that? Well, no. The thing is, the behavior of anyone on the internet is to just basically skim. So make sure that everything is just fast, right? So one way you can improve this is to, one, summarize this. Then you can also break it up into smaller paragraphs. In fact, you don't have to be formal here. So it can even be a fragmented sentence. That's totally fine. So like just one paragraph in just one sentence, that will work. And that's actually like a really good practice. And then you can also add a list, perhaps a list. So you make sure to use different elements when it comes to writing here, because again, a wall of text will deter your potential clients away. And then another improvement, the image itself is good because it shows the clean or the after of the cleaning, which is good, as I mentioned. I already said that, why do you keep repeating myself? Sorry. And a possible improvement here is you can use a before and after, because that's how cleaning usually is, right? It comes from dirty to clean. So I guess if you have something super dirty and then you're able to make it clean, then that's a really good hero image because it will immediately convey what it is that you do. Oh, and some minor improvement. You can add some urgency for the call us. So you can say call us now or call us today, something like that. Similar to how you did this book now. Okay, now let's move on to, come on, inspect. So it is kind of mobile friendly, which is good because a lot of people are actually using their phone to actually search for your businesses. I think it's now, I don't know, 70% depending on your industry. And here, the problem that I saw was that the call to action button is not visible immediately because imagine this is a phone, technically. Imagine this is your phone. Ideally, I should immediately see that button. However, when I landed here through a phone, it's not. I still have to scroll down. So we have to make it easy for your visitors to call you, right? So if they have to scroll, that's an extra friction So chances are they might have to look for other businesses, which we do not like, right? Now let's move on to the more technical stuff. I wonder if this loads quickly. Actually, whilst waiting for that, let's check the SEO part of this. Okay, it's good. You're using the house cleaning service. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. So for the SEO here, H1 is basically like a chapter about, not a chapter, sorry, the title of the book. So if there are so many H1s, Google will be confused as to what your website actually is. And actually, in fact, Google might even assume that it's a spam or that kind of thing. So there's even this empty H1. Yeah, so make sure that it's properly structured. This should honestly be easy depending on what it is that you're using. Wonder what it is. Oh, it doesn't say. Huh, that's a surprise. It doesn't say. For any platform builders, this changing a text to an H1, H2, or H3, whatever, is really easy. So you don't even have to learn how to code. But yeah, ideally it should just be one. Gonna say house cleaning Red Deer, or commercial and house cleaning service Red Deer. Like that should be your H1, the main keyword. Okay, links, images is out. That's good. Oh, it doesn't have any schema. Unfortunately, this is a bit complicated to talk about. However, depending, again, it depends on the website platform that you're using. But majority of them can actually already generate the schema for you. And the most important thing for the local business is that I think, I forgot the name of it. I think it's local business schema. So, because it also helps with your Google business profile, or at least your local ranking, right? And then let's scroll down. Oh, this is what I meant. It's another wall of text. The content itself is good, but you should summarize it. Ooh, this is good. Reliable service. So these are the benefits. You could also put this a bit up here immediately after the hero section. Okay. These look like their original images, which is good. Like honestly, even if it's low quality, but if it's original, it's a lot better compared to stock images. And again, it's too much text. Too long, didn't read. Yep. So yeah, I guess the main problem of this website is just it's too many text, too long of a text. And you can actually use ChatGPT to rewrite this in a way that it's actually website friendly, without removing the actual essence that the actual messaging that you're trying to provide, right? Feedback. What is this? Under wall of text. Too long, didn't read. Okay, that's good. Honestly, if you just update the overall layout of the text, or the way you wrote the texts here, or the content of the website, I'm sure you'd get a lot more bookings through your website. Yeah. If you want your own web audit, I do offer this for free for anyone. You can just click the link, the description. Shoot, it's in the description below. You can click the link. All right, see ya.